Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound dollar GBPUSD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we have seen massive correction on the chart of DXY on Friday. Okay. If you have watched my previous videos, then you know it very well that we still have a symmetrical triangle pattern, and usually symmetrical triangle is considered as a bilateral pattern. It means that we can expect a breakout or a breakdown. There can be a breakout towards the upside as well as the downside. So when there was a breakout, kind of a scenario, people are thinking that DXY will be bullish again. But after some time, there was a massive profit booking. There was some massive correction. You can see three big candles here. And ultimately, DXY settled at 111.87. One thing is very much clear, that though DXY witnessed heavy correction, but still it is maintaining the uptrend. You can see the market is still respecting the red line, the 200 moving average, as the support here. So on Monday, if DXY tries to recover again, then it will enter inside the symmetrical triangle again, and again by next week we can expect a breakout. So the expectation of breakout is still not gone yet. And as long as DXY is maintaining its position above 111 level, so I think we should consider DXY to be in uptrend only. Overall, we are talking about the trend of DXY. But by next week or after 3-4 weeks, there may be some correction again where we can see massive correction. But right now we can see that DXY is still trying to take support around the 200 moving average. So things are still very much positive for DXY if we look at the overall picture. So the market opening will be very important. Now let's have a look at the chart of GBPUSD. And as we have already discussed in a previous video, that things are not very clear for GBPUSD. And still there is a the political instability or uncertainty is still going on the UK. So as a result, we are still not having any clear direction about the market. You can also see that we have a similar picture on the chart of GBPUSD as well, where we have a symmetrical triangle pattern. If I take you to the weekly chart, on the weekly chart, you can see market has formed spinning tops for the last 2 weeks. Spinning tops signify indecision in the market. And if we take it to the daily chart, you can see on daily chart we have this symmetrical triangle, and the same thing on the 4 hours time frame as well. So in this market condition, I think it's better to avoid, especially if you're a positional trader or swing trader, then GBPUSD is not the chart for you, because still there is a instability or political uncertainty going on in the UK. The Prime Minister has resigned, and still we do not have any Prime Minister on UK. Rishi Sunak is people are considering he's the best candidate to be the UK Prime Minister, but still no confirmation. No confirmation yet. So as long as GBPUSD is trading between these two lines here, it's better to avoid. And if you really want to take a trade, if you're really in love with GBPUSD, then you can consider taking a buy position if market comes down and bounces from the trend line at the bottom. And if market reverses from the trend line at the top, you can take a sell position here. And if market bounces from here, you can take a buy position here. But new traders, beginners, those who have less capital, you should avoid charts like this. This is for traders who have been trading for the market for quite some time, who have got some considerable experience in the market. You can consider positions like this, because this is not a very good kind of a trade. So beginners, new traders, there are plenty of opportunities in the market, so avoid trading charts like this. As long as we do not get any clarity about the direction of GBPUSD, it's better to avoid. By next week, I think the market will squeeze further, and when market will be around here, then we will see a breakout, or we should get a proper breakout. So yes, symmetrical triangle pattern is also beneficial. So in case market breaks the line at the top, and if you see market going up, then you can take a buy position. Okay, and in case market starts falling by breaking the line at the bottom, you can consider taking a sell position as well. But if possible, try to be in touch with the news, because fundamentals have a huge impact on the market, and after all, the fundamental factors only give direction to the market. Technicals come into the scene for entry and exit only. Okay, so sadly we do not have any levels yet. Okay, and my dear friends, the workshop is back again after 4 to 5 months. So if you really want to take up trading a serious source of income, if you really want to learn about the market, you can consider signing up for a workshop, because this is the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. As you all know that I'm on a mission to spread the knowledge. That's why I have kept the fees lowest in the whole world, I believe. Because after the workshop you'll also receive support for 1 month, where you'll be learning about the smart money concept, volume trading, and many other things. There will be live sessions and many things. Okay, the date is 28th and 29th of October. Bye bye, take care. Please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money.